I'm making these small cubes for pizza. I will use these cubes in the pizza. Look at this blood. You can marinate this, you can make the cubes of it and marinate it, and you can freeze it later. That because I'm going to freeze the pizza dough also, and I will make the marination of it, marinate it, and I will freeze it. Look at this. Make the tiny cubes. And this chicken I will use in pasta. I will make red sauce pasta tomorrow, inshallah, or maybe after 2 days. For my elder son, he like red sauce pasta, and I will use that chicken in that pasta. So ये जो chicken है ना, मैं उसमें फिर करूँगी. और ये जो है, ठीक है, these I will use this for making soup. ठीक है, इसको सूप बनाने के लिए I will use this. I will freeze this now. I will make this, freeze this. Look at, these are the freezing bags. Oh my god. I just open it. Okay. And I'm going to freeze it, these bones and the chicken, to make the soup. I will make chicken corn soup. Okay. Look. It's sealed bag, okay. Look, it's free. You can freeze it now, and I'm going to marinate it for pizza. I'm going to marinate it for pizza. Black pepper, white pepper, 1 teaspoon. This is the chicken.